push-up on knees with alternating knee drive is a beginner modification to the full push-up with alternating knee drive. This primarily targets the muscles in the chest, as well as the shoulders, triceps, core, and obliques. To get started, while kneeling, place your hands shoulder-width apart on the floor with your fingers pointing straight ahead with your hands directly below your shoulders. Raise your feet off the floor and cross your ankles. It's important to keep your core contracted to maintain a flat back and stop your lower back from arching during this push-up position. Complete a push-up by bending your elbows to lower your body towards the ground, keeping your back flat and neck neutral. Think about pressing the floor away from you to extend your arms and lift your body back to the starting position. Once you're back in the starting position, get into a straight arm plank position by planting your feet into the floor to raise your knees off the floor. Lift one knee towards the elbow on the same side while engaging your core muscles. Extend your leg to bring it back to your starting position, then drop back to your knees to repeat another push-up on knees. This time, bring your other knee towards the elbow on the same side, then return to the starting position again. That's 1 rep. Continue alternating after each push-up. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.